Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Monique and I make content on home improvement, DIY, and home decor with a sprinkle of lifestyle and luxury. So if you're interested in content like that, please consider subscribing down below. I do want to say thank you to all of my new subscribers and my old subscribers. My channel has been kind of growing a little bit, slowly but surely. So I do appreciate that. I especially appreciate the people who leave me a comment. I genuinely really do appreciate you. I did just want to make this video just to give you a little update on the house. I finally got my dining room table, like literally today, because I sold my old dining room table on Marketplace. Which that dining room table was a decade old, but so I sold it for next to nothing. I just wanted to get it out the house, so I got that picked up today. So now I'm going to show you the new dining room table. She is, ooh, hold on. Okay, so this is her, and let me move the chair out of the way. And I do apologize. I do have poor lighting in this house. But yeah, this is the base of the table. It's like this antique brass. I think it's gorgeous. It goes really well with the chairs that I got. And I got these chairs from Overstock. And then this is the top of the table. It's that mango wood. And I love, you know, how it's kind of curved, like it's distressed. I love it. I have to look up like how to properly clean it. And I'm sorry, let me go come from this end because the sun is shining. But yeah, that's how it looks. Don't mind my house. But I think it's gorgeous. And y'all don't mind the dog cage in the back. That is such an eyesore. But as you can see, I do need 2 additional chairs. Right now, this particular chair is sold out. So I don't know if I'm just gonna wait until the chair is back in stock, or if I'm just gonna get 2 different chairs to go at the head of the table. That's something that my mom just suggested, and I think that's kind of a good idea. I think that would be cute. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments, what do you think? I've been seeing that a lot lately, and I like that look. So I'll look around and see if I find anything, and I also need to get like some type of centerpiece. Yeah. Then when you look at this light fixture, I don't like it again no more. I don't like it anymore. I'll insert a picture of the one that I'm thinking about. I just don't think that this goes well with the table now. And don't mind my kitchen, you know, she has to get worked on next. But yeah, I don't know if I like it with this table. So I may change that around. I did take out the animal print pillows, and at first I was thinking about just changing these pillows as well, but my mom said like keep them there for a while, and they are kind of growing on me, so we'll see. I'm not going to buy any more pillows until I get my new couch, so I'll wait until I get the new couch. But yeah, the animal print, it was doing a little bit too much for me. I did take out, I had tried to DIY these little vases that were by my fireplace at first, and y'all, it was a DIY fail. So now I'm going to get rid of those. I'm also going to get rid of that thing. So I need to work on the fireplace. This picture actually fell down, but now that it's down, I realized that I don't like a lot of things on my wall. So I may not put it back up there, and I may just have this wall with the decorative molding. So I don't know, that's something that I'm thinking about. But yeah, those are the little changes that I've made so far. And I'm gonna show you what I did do with those chia print pillows. And I love them in here because see, this room is extra. This, I don't like it in that chair. I'm gonna take that out. But this room is extra, and I feel like the pillows are extra. This is a very moody, extra, doing the most, glam room. So the pillows with the blue couch is just like, it's giving. It's giving. See, but the thing about it is, this is an everyday space. And you know, it's like your friends, you know, you have those friends that do too much and they fun, they real fun. And you like to hang out with them sometimes. But if you hang out with them all the time, they give you a headache. They just too much, it's just doing too much. And that's what those pillows were in this space. So I think that in this space, I just wanted to be really neutral and calm. And then when I want to be extra and have fun, I mean, this area still, you know, it definitely has some doing too muchness in it. But, you know, the animal print, that was doing a little bit too much. But, you know, whenever I do want to do the most and be moody and extra, I can just go sit in that front room. So I think those pillows are better fit for that room up there. So I'm going to keep those there for now. But yeah, those are kind of like the little small updates that have been going on with the house. I am so happy about my dining room table. I love it. Y'all tell me what y'all think down in the comments below. Again, I did get this from Pottery Barn. I am going to start spring cleaning. They just dropped off the dumpster. I rented a dumpster because, yeah, I got to clean out my basement. I got to clean out my garage because I have a lot of materials that from different projects in the house. I have, you know, old bedroom set, all kinds of junk. So I just want to clean that stuff out. It'll make me feel a lot better about my life. So I'm just going to be doing a lot of spring cleaning. And so will my kids. They don't know that yet, but they will be doing the spring cleaning with me. And but yeah, stay tuned. I am going to be still adding little touches to the house, but I think my next big thing that I'm going to be working on is my front porch. Y'all don't judge me. Should I show y'all? I'm not going to show y'all the porch because y'all going to judge me. The porch still look like fall from the fall video when I, you know, did the decorations and stuff like that. That's what the porch still look like because I ain't touched that porch since fall. Like I said, don't judge me because it still looks like autumn out here. But yeah, just so you'll see, I'm going to be painting this door black, like the interior door. The inside is painted black. I'm going to paint the shutters black, as well as put a fresh coat of spray paint, black spray paint on this wicker furniture. Change out, of course, the pillows and everything else. Usually I have my little my pink door wreath. It has pink flowers on it. I don't know if I'm going to continue to use that this year. I may change it. I don't know, for some reason black, white, and yellow sounds pretty to me, but I may still continue to use the pink one and just have black, white, and pink for the spring and summer months. So yeah, but that'll probably be my next big project. So I'll be doing hauls of me getting stuff for out there, and then I'll also do a little clean with me and decorate with me porch edition, so we can get that porch together. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have going on with the house, and I'll check back in with you guys next week. Until next time, peace out. And y'all, if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Watch a few other videos. If you like them, go ahead and subscribe. It don't cost you nothing.